House of Horrors better. The superpowers used to kill the mentally ill or sick, but some are still killed. You would say a leader in medicine has brought out a diagnostics tool of statistics and manual. The other side of the world used an international classification of diseases. Some places now will let you die or kill yourself if you are ill in a way that you want to die. Fact is, technology is now taking over and medicines are produced cheaper, or instruments once found in a hospital can be found at your local shops such as superstar, hypermarkets and chemists. It is now known a robot will replace the doctor, and already phone doctors and internet doctors are in use. With so many lives at risk and the countries are so uninhabited, an exodus from the death or discrimination brought laws to stop disabled prejudice, for example. But there is a fight where the world is at odds with what is happening. Some places will class you as dead, whilst others say death has not come and that is wrong. Plus be aware, a living person is needed for donations. Where do you go for help when the real medicine is so expensive only rich can afford it? The National Health Service is the cheapest or almost cheapest version on the market. If you are healthy, then it may be a case you will be experimented on, such as a clinical trial, supposedly paid, while some will say you cannot have the money. Doctors are some of the most powerful jobs indicated in the employment field. Some governments could not take on a doctor, so an army had to do it. It is all about health and what you do and what you need and what you want, desire, etc. Not always the case if you're in danger or at danger from the environment. Some say detain others, quarantine, then there is restraint or restriction. What you make of it will depend of individual circumstances, and most feel they will save my life. At the low end of the scale, you have food as medicine possibility, and again you have to pay. But beware, charities will feed the patient or countries have in place a system for care. So remember, most only want to do a job, be it voluntary or paid. There's got to be life after work.